We'll begin this with the Cherry news coming in from the Central Bank of Nigeria.
Absolutely. Now, the monetary policy has now been reduced from 14% to 13.5%. The CBN Governor Godwin Emefiele announced this decision at the end of a two-day meeting held at the Apex Bank's headquarters in Abuja. Lara Folayo was there.
The Monetary Policy Committee was faced with the option of retaining the key interest rate or loosening it slightly due to substantial stability in macroeconomic indicators. It chose the latter, which means pushing down key lending rates by 50 basis points while leaving other parameters unchanged.
In summary, the MPC voted to 1. Adjust the MPR by 50 basis points from 14 to 13.5%. 2. Retain the asymmetric corridor of plus 200 and minus 500 basis points around the MPR. 3. Retain the CRR at 22.5%. And 4. Retain the liquidity ratio at 30%.
The committee is hopeful this will allow for improved credit flow to the country's productive sector. It also expects this to create jobs and diversify the economy.
The committee was convinced that doing this would further uphold the bank's commitment to promoting strong growth by way of encouraging credit flow to the productive sectors of the economy. The MPC also felt that signaling through loosening by a marginal rate would serve to manage the sentiments in the capital flow markets owing to the wider spread in yields in the emerging market and developing economies relative to the advanced economies. Moreover, the real interest rates will still remain positive.
The monetary policy wants urgent passage of the minimum wage bill. It sympathizes with the fiscal authorities on growing fiscal deficit, external debts and debt servicing, and wants it to improve efficiencies in public resource management. The committee commends payment of monies owed oil marketers by government as it has helped reduce non-performing loans. It as well advises the authorities to find additional revenue sources, sustain the economic recovery and growth plan while addressing infrastructure. The monetary policy rate is the rate at which the Central Bank of Nigeria lends to commercial banks. It has been left steady at 14% since July 2016. Players in the country's real sector had criticized this move, saying it was impacting negatively on lending rates. Lara Folayo, TVC News, Abuja.